Now, since you saw the title of this video, that means you must want to see Christmas early. Christmas in the summertime. As of this date, it is officially still summer. But guess what? I went to Tuesday morning and saw Christmas.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching that video of what Tuesday Morning was putting out for Christmas. I know it's early, but believe it or not, I watched my first Christmas video this year back in July. The stores are putting it out, and when I came in and saw that they were unloading the truck, I took my camera out to record it. I'm so glad I did. It's getting ready to be fall. I know it's still summer, but fall will be here in a few short days. I want to pick up some more heavier scents or something less fruity or less summery. I picked up this scent, and the actual brand is by Abby & Sullivan. Guys, I always find nice oils from Tuesday Morning. Again, Abby & Sullivan. And this actual fragrance is called Passionate Kisses. Now, the actual collection is called Moods and Memories Collections, meaning that this should smell like something that, you know, evokes a memory. And for me, this smell reminded me so much of an old fragrance that maybe I used to wear from Bath and Body Works, and maybe even going back as far as Avon, back when my mom was, you know, wearing Avon. I can smell jasmine, and they don't tell me the notes on here, but I can definitely smell like a jasmine and a musk scent, and it smells so good. I can't wait to, you know, use this in the fall. That was a surprise scent for me, because usually I go with like sandalwoods and, you know, just heavier scents like that for this time of year. But to find this, I was really happy to find that. And this one, I don't know what this reminds me of. This scent is called, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, the sun is coming out, baby powder. Can y'all see that? So I just picked it up on a whim and just to see. And when I tell y'all, I opened it, just like opened it, you can smell it already. The scent is going to be so strong, and I love that about oils. That's one of the reasons why I don't like burning candles. They're not strong enough for me. I guess I just have that type of nose where I need really potent scents. When you walk in my house, I want it to smell like you're walking into Pier 1 Imports. Like I want the whole house to be just, you know, oh, that smells so good. Oh, wow. I didn't even use baby powders on my children, but I just love smelling baby powder. Wow. It just brings me back to maybe, I don't know, the thought of my mom using it on me, that smell, I don't know. I just love it though. So, enough of me smelling. Let me show y'all what I picked up. Y'all probably already know, the ones who really, really know me from watching that video. I could not leave this on the shelf. And now I am so glad, unapologetically glad, that I recorded that footage from the stuff they were pulling out for Christmas, because if I didn't, I would have never seen him, guys. Wow. Did y'all know I was going to get him? Look at this beautiful Santa. Wow. Now don't let me drop him on this patio. I would just cry. Look at this, guys. Yes, I picked him up. They are describing him as a wood look Santa, and that's exactly what he is. He looks like he's wood. He's made of resin though. Okay. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I had to do a double take. I don't know if you remember in the footage, I saw the one Santa who was in gold, and then I just looked, did a double take, and there were two of these guys all the way pushed in on like a bottom shelf. So again, I'm so glad that I took the camera out to record, because I never would have seen him. Oh, and I'm so happy to have him in my collection. Finding something like this in February, June, May, I don't care. He is going to be a welcome addition to all my Santas. Y'all know I have a huge Santa collection. The more unusual, the better. And this guy is very unusual. He is in a traditional Santa outfit, but look how it looks like it's weathered. It has highlights of silver throughout. He's holding a silver little lantern. Wow. And look at his little face, little button nose. It's so rare that I find stuff like this in what I like to collect. So when I see it, y'all, I just get it. Some ask, how did your collection get so big? That's exactly how. When I see something that I like, I usually purchase it. And for me, it doesn't matter the month. Now, what I'll do is just wrap them back up, put them in the basement. When it's time for me to, you know, pull out Christmas, he will be there waiting on your girl. So cute. He's about, I would say, 2 feet tall. Yeah, about 2 feet tall. He can stand on his own. It stands flat. And again, he is going to make a welcome addition to my collection. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. It's the first time for everything. Hauling some Christmas in the summertime in my flip-flops. Let me know what the weather is like where you are today. Appreciate y'all watching, guys.